Class is now open. I need to install a swag hook way up there. And what is a swag hook? I'll show you what a swag hook is. These are swag hooks. That's what I call swag hook. Now, this was an existing swag hook that's been screwed up into the stucco. And there's a hole way up there. I don't know if you can see it where I'm pointing. But anyways, this was screwed right up to the stucco, and that's it. I know it wasn't screwed into any wood because the stucco is 5/8 to 3/4 to an inch thick, and this screw isn't big enough to go all the way up there. And so the last person, they just screwed it up into the stucco tight. Now, will that hold? Yeah, that would hold something that's not very heavy. Maybe some chimes, but not these chimes. We're going to install these chimes up there, and I knew this probably wasn't stout enough. I went and unscrewed that, and I found out it was just going into the stucco, and I thought, I can't do that. This thing's probably 45 pounds or more. So I went to the store, and there's always different things you can end up doing. Now this is a swag hook that's just designed, that just has its own threads, and that's a small one. I'm going to get you the video camera going here. And so I bought some jumbo swag hooks. See how much bigger this one is than that? Look at that. Okay, this is going to hold just about anything. And the funny thing was, I went to the store. I only needed one, but this one came with two. This was a 2-pack swag hooks, and sometimes you can get this that says jumbo swag hooks.